One of the issues that I've always had in traditional scheduling softwares is that I'll run a layout in my schedule file, and then I want to send that in Excel to other team members to either update or add other activities into or show me what's changed. And I always end up copying those activities from the schedule file into Excel and trying to reformat to make it look like the schedule software that I'm working in. But in ScheduleLight, all you have to do is run your layout. So right now I'm filtered for my 4-week look ahead. So all I need to do is go to Project, Export Excel, and then choose the place where I want to export it to. And then I'll go ahead and open that file up and I'll show you what that looks like. So here's the Excel export. It includes the filter that I already applied along with the columns that were applied in my schedule file, and the WBS formatting is already in place. So it makes it really easy to be able to send out Excel files that look like the schedule file to other team members and work inside of that.